Hello everyone. Today we will learn a new sound. It's sound. We will learn formation, action. We will listen to a song for the sound. We will learn new words for the sound. And at last, we will do some activities together. So let's start. Wave your hand in a shape like a snake and say S. Now we will learn how to write sound. It's so easy. Put your finger up and move your finger round and back round. Listen to the sound song.
The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass.
We have new words for sound. We have snake, snake, sun, sun, spider, spider, snowman, snowman, star, star, snail, snail, spoon, spoon, strawberry, strawberry, sit, sit. Now it's activity time. Activity number 1. Listen to sound story.
Sam has a dog called Samson. One sunny morning, Sam takes Samson for a walk down by the stream. While Samson snuffles about in the grass, Sam looks around. He sees a swan swimming past a snail on a stone. He also spots a toadstool, some spiders, a small mouse, and a bird on her nest. Sam picks up a stick and throws it for Samson to fetch. Samson chases after it and sniffs around for the stick in the grass. Suddenly, he starts barking. Woof, woof, woof. Sam skips over to see what Samson has found. In front of Samson is a large spotty snake. It is sitting up and hissing. Sss. Sam grabs hold of Samson and the snake slithers slowly away.
Activity number 2. Can you find the word that doesn't have sound? Listen carefully.
Stick, sun, sock, dog.
Yes, that's right. It's the word dog. Doesn't have sound. Activity number 3. Click the pictures that begin with S sound. Yes, we have scissors, sun, snake, snail, and the last one is seahorse. And this is the end of our session for today. Thanks for watching.